Hi there. We're in the garden today and time has come to add wood chips into the landscape. Wood chips have several benefits. Number one is improved curb appeal instantly. Can't ask for anything better than that. Also, moist retention for the plants, temperature regulation, and weed rejection, just to name a few. So we bought about 45 bags of wood chips and got busy. The results are pretty drastic. Take a look. So consider using wood chips in your landscape. You'll be happy you did. If you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.